Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to receive money from Sendwave in 2025. Sendwave is a super convenient app for international money transfers, and with its 2025 updates, it's even faster and more secure. Whether you're waiting on funds from family abroad or just exploring new ways to handle cash, this step-by-step guide will get you set up in no time. First things first, you need to download the Sendwave app. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and search for Sendwave. It's free, and the 2025 version comes with enhanced features like biometric login for added security. Once it's installed, open the app and create a new account. You'll need to provide your email, phone number, and a strong password. Don't skip this step. It's crucial for verifying your identity. Next, verify your account. Sendwave will send a confirmation code to your phone or email, so keep an eye out. After that, link your bank account or preferred payment method. In 2025, Sendwave supports instant bank transfers and even crypto options, making it lightning fast. Now, when someone sends you money, you'll get a notification right on your device. Open the app, review the transfer details, and accept it with a simple tap. One cool new feature in 2025 is the Secure Receipt option, which lets you add extra verification like a fingerprint or facial scan to ensure the money goes to the right place. Once accepted, the funds will be available in your linked account almost immediately. Talk about no waiting games. Finally, if you need to withdraw or use the money, just follow the app's prompts to transfer it to your bank or even a digital wallet. Remember, always keep your app updated and use strong security practices to protect your finances. There you have it. Receiving money from Sendwave in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.